This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking in format and story. Choose 9, 16, and set a 15 to 60-second target so every beat matters. Once done, sketch 3 to 6 keyframes to map timing and motion. That storyboard directs your animation. Make sure to pick a tool and assets now, template, sprite sheet, or stock audio, so you aren't searching mid-build. This gets you into the actual animation quickly and prevents time wasted on indecision. You now build the motion and rhythm. Start by blocking major poses with keyframes, then add easing to avoid robotic movement. That's why easing makes motion feel intentional. Once poses are solid, refine with secondary motion and motion paths for arcs and overlap. Make sure to align hits to audio using markers, add SFX and music, and duck background levels so the voice reads clearly. Keep checking pacing if a shot drags. Cut a frame or shorten the transition. You're at the finish line. Export with the right codec and resolution so upload processing is clean. Once exported, add captions and an eye-catching thumbnail, then fill metadata with 3 to 5 targeted tags and a concise description. Make sure to preview the file on a phone and in the app. This reveals playback or aspect issues. If something goes wrong, check for mismatched frame rates, codec incompatibility, or clip audio peaking. Convert or re-export with corrected settings and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.